In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use HubSpot Teams. HubSpot Teams is a powerful feature designed to help you organize your users, streamline collaboration, and assign tasks more efficiently. Whether you're managing a small group or a large organization, creating teams in HubSpot makes it easier to focus on specific projects and maintain a clear structure within your account. So, if you're ready to boost your productivity, let's dive in. Now, before we begin, if you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. It's quick, easy, and will allow you to follow along with today's tutorial. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not already logged in, simply click the Login button at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. Next, look at the top right corner of the homepage here. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click on it to open your HubSpot settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage all aspects of your account. On the settings page, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through this menu and click on the option labeled Users and Teams. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your users and their associated teams. Now that you're in the Users and Teams section, look for the Teams tab at the top of the page and click on it. This will allow you to view and manage all of the teams within your account. If you're creating a new team for the first time, this is where we'll get started. Once you're in the Teams tab, you'll see a button that says Create Team. Click on this button to begin setting up your new team. This is an important step because creating teams in HubSpot allows you to group users together for better organization and task assignment. A pop-up window will appear where you can configure your new team. Start by entering a name for your team. This name will act as the identifier for the team across your HubSpot account. So choose something that clearly reflects its purpose, for example, marketing team or client success team. Depending on how your HubSpot account is set up, you may also see options to add a description for the team or select specific team members to include right away. If these options are available, take advantage of them to keep things well organized and tailored to your needs. Once you've entered all the necessary details, don't forget to save your new team. This step finalizes the creation process and officially adds the team to your HubSpot account. Now that your team is created, you can start assigning contacts, deals, and tasks to the team as needed. This is where the real power of HubSpot Teams comes into play. By assigning specific work to a team, you enable focused collaboration, ensure responsibilities are clear, and help your organization work more efficiently. And remember, if you ever need to manage your teams in the future, whether it's editing an existing team, adding new members, or creating another team, you can always return to the Users and Team settings. This flexibility allows you to adjust your team setup as your business evolves. And there you have it. Today we walked through the process of creating and using teams in HubSpot, from logging in to assigning tasks to your new team. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.